welcome to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you the New Beginning collection. New Beginning is from 2016, so you need to be a little bit aware of that some elements will contain the year 2016. You're gonna see this in the video that you can decide by yourself if you want to buy it. Nevertheless, I think I really love this collection because of the colors. This purple, blue, pink, a little bit of such a turquoise, kind of Insta filter styles. And yes, I thought I need to bring up again this collection to my lily pad shop. So let's jump into the folders. These are the previews. It's a huge collection again with fantastic, really love it papers. We have awesome arty bits and pieces, and these are the pages my creative team created with the collection. So a lot of beautiful work here. Okay, let's jump into the arty bits and pieces #1 folder. These are the elements or the paper bits. You can see here's the year 2016 on top, but all the others are still great to use. And this is the arty bits and pieces #1, and then we have the arty bits and pieces #2. Also here, a lot of grungy. We have gesso style, and here comes some fireworks with glitter, flower. We have layered frames, so when you open them they come in a PSD file, and you also get a PNG file as well. Paper clips, stars, threads, twines, and such beadings. This is the arty bits and pieces pack #2. Then we have a pack with different frames. We have transformed frames. This comes one as a PNG, and then you got a PSD as well. We have here some scribbled ones. These are like a stamp. Still purple one is a little bit like a holographic. This is a mask. So totally different frames. And also here, this with the honeycomb shape, you also get a PSD file as well. Then we have the next folder are the Loopy-La-Loosas, and they work perfectly if you for dividing something, but they are really cute, I think. And these are the Loopy-La-Loosa, and there is no ABR file. Then we have the magic legs. I love them. I really love the color, the stars, the sparkles, the bouquets. The combination of the color is awesome in this collection. I really enjoy to work with those kind of colors. Some collections really let me think of to use the collections again and again, and this is one of the collections I really love from the color. Then we have the overlays, 12 by 12 inch, and you can use them as overlay, but also here we have some with the year 2016, pretty small, but not everyone everything is covered with the year 16. So here we have totally different years. 15, here is something with 8, so there is quite different numbers here. Okay, these are the overlays, and you get 5 different ones, and they are transparent, and yes. Then we have the urban script sprinkles. Also here we have some with the 2016 on, some not, and they are really beautiful, and I really should think about if but I don't have them as layered, so to change the number, but it's not possible. No, I don't have the files anymore that I can change them into another year. But maybe you like to scrap pages from 2016, so they are perfect here for you. And then we have the urban mask brushes. They are way cool. They are with the sparkles and little bit galaxy effects, and you get 6 different masks and an ABR file for Photoshop and Photoshop Elements. Then we have the word arts. These are those stickers, and then we have some typo style one, some scattered ones, and then everything also comes as an ABR brush file as well. The next folders are the mixed media papers, and they burst of firework. I think they are that cool, and if you have an awesome picture with the firework, they work perfectly with those really cool papers together. Then we have the solid exposure and exposure papers. So it's a combination. We have solid papers here, very solid, and then we have the solid papers with an exposure overlay as well. Then we have photo cards. That's something I tried. If maybe you like it, and they come as a PSD file, and here are the month and years as yes, they come layered. Open them. They come as layers, so you can only drag and drop your photos into the frames, and that's it. So nothing spectacular. And they come in 2 sizes, and 3x4 and 6x4, and the word itself come also as PNG files. The same we have here, photo cards with the days, so it's the same, only with Monday to Friday, Monday to Sunday, so they can be used for every year, and are not stuck with anything of 2016. Sorry, I need to yawn. It's a little bit late again. Okay, then we jump into the Storybook folder, and they come, these are the Storybook. This is how they look, with a lot of bokeh effects in the background, a lot of text you can put in, easy to use, very simple, very clean, but you can attach artsy bits, and then you get easily an artsy look of your pages. And this is the Storybook Templates. For you to know, when you open them, the PSD files are white, and when you double click them and open them in your Photoshop, delete the first layer. This is how the layer also is named. So delete it, click on the first layer, slide down till the background, and then everything will show up for you. And then you can start to add your photos and backgrounds and whatever. So these are the storybook, and then we have the pages. These are the pages as letter size, and then I provided also for you the pages as a double page, so you can choose with the PSD file you like to work with. Just for you to see, this is the double page, and totally easily here are all the photo placeholders, and the text is easily to overwrite, so really pretty nice to use. We have here the monthly 12 by 12 pages. They come in this collection with 2, or better said 3 different PSD file. You get a left side, a 12 by 12 page, which looks this way. This is the start. Well, so this is an index page, for example, in which you can write something in what happened maybe on this day. And then we have the right side. Don't resolve. Let's turn them on, which is a more collage side with a lot of pictures. You can put in here pictures from the whole month of January, for example, and you have a really nice overview of a month. And both pages, the left and right, also are included here as a double page. So you are really covered with every kind of file, and this is how the double page looks for you. And everything is in this way created for you. So you have here for the week 1, for example, week 1, the other side, and this is the double page. And then we have week 2. This is the week 2. We have this one, and then we have that one, and together they look like this one. And then we have week 3, also here, left, right, and this is the page together. And then we have the week 4. This is how it looks. This, and so it looks on the double side. So this is the new beginning collection, and how I already mentioned, it's from 2016. I hope you nevertheless you love this collection, and maybe you have already in your stash some old photos from 2016 and you think exactly this collection will work for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good time, and we're gonna see us in the next video. Bye.